Richmond. Hey Leona.
Papa.
You see Bob's Mamela look these guys that in the alive right way now. No, wait, let me tell you something go right way, huh?
Right.
I'm not so on the right. Keep Papa I am this morning the right. Paul and Shantabs, no Leona. Kamalam guys, oh, but now you guys, Kamalam Tina. Oh, Tina Sangamata. I mean, like, I'm that type of girl who's like the average chick. But, like, I've got like a potential of becoming anything I want because Matiba said, so actually, not Mlungu Chumi. Better. Matiba or like that. So, that.
This guy has a nice body.
Soon, that. But like, for instance, yes, I'm the type of girl and like that every chick, but I can become so much more. Like features of Beyonce and like all the great people that have like surrounded money and
You want to take a video of
I gotta we're recording now.
like I can be Madonna sometimes, yes. Like on weekends just for Chisanyama, I dress up like Madonna. Because I feel like me and the girl go way back. Like she's my chick. My chick from like the hood. I'm not from the hood anyways. Like I don't like hood things. I poverty. As ness stench man, poverty. And you smell, can't put roses on poverty. Oh hunger is a pine. I've been through bad times. Yo! In fact, pasta and tomato sauce, in fact, it's a delicacy. Yo! Jesus University, I'll never forget you. You are hungry, you are heartbroken. Because you come from the Eastern Cape, you've come to find love and education in Joburg. Hey! Ow! Shame. Hungry, heartbroken. Why is that? But I was never thinking in dreams, let me just kill myself. I said, no. I want to see what's going to happen after this. Now, the air is just so much clearer. Man, boom, and man, we don't smoke. Kidding. We smoke. You smoke. Where's that 20 we bought? You bought a 20. No one go with a 4. Asanda, that girl knows she can smoke. Tabs. Matosi. You don't kiss my tosi. Yo! Hey, Tosa is a carrot. There's any stress who's chasing a pet. Hey! What's like a Asanda? Umkaka. So you must try it, you must try ash. Landa orange because mandi ne citrus. Hey, how could like it? Ngani Asanda. Bano wane kenza yomlomo. Abathina solo uyizithinga imilebe. Hayi. Kaloku mas. Okay, wasanda no Leon. Oh abo. Yo bayakusabotaja umuntu abamfuna umuntu ofabulous. You abamfuna umuntu ofabulous. Sibancamile iglamour. Bayazi. You iglamour. Lights. But easy. You, I'm congested. Chef, you are you, but yes. Namhlanje bandityisa space muffins because bafuna ukundityebisa. Kwenza bandizokutya. Wapheka uLeon sibayi-3. Kodwa wapheka imbiza engaka yepasta. Caba bathi uyanya. Mna mantabalaze ngibe iteksi ngoDisemba bona bengibe bathing banyile in fact nothaba kumusheba nothaba kumsana Tinana you don't mess around Tinana like that. And then I tried dancing with Leon, dancing for, you know, my lookalike, sound alike Beyonce. And like, I saw myself dancing towards that area. Back there, kindly they put a chair for me to trip, fall, so I can break my legs. Once I'll be untwackable. I will never be untwackable. I will never be untrackable. I will never be untrackable. So Zanti be untrackable. Dabs uka keki dana. Au saxidanga. Success yako yobon bani failure. Kute. When I know Leon, Michelle no Kelly, Kishal no Melly, Ningo Bangod na. In this, jealous of me and my father and my main man. Oh yes, I'm a bit of a Beyonce, so like, it's cheesy for me. It's cheesy.